Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing some free courses that are offered by Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. So before we see those courses and how to enroll in it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let's see what are those free courses offered by ISRO and how to register for it. So the first one is Geospatial Modeling for Watershed Management, and this free online course will be conducted from August 2nd to August 6th. So this is going to be a 5-day free online course which is organized by IIRS, which is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, and it operates under ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. And here they have given the entire course curriculum. So first you will go through the overview of RS, that is remote sensing, and GIS applications in watershed management, and digital terrain analysis for watershed characterization, geospatial modeling for soil erosion assessment and watershed, land use planning and soil and water conservation measures, monitoring of watershed development programs. So all these topics will be covered in this course, and this is a free course. You can see that here there is no course fee for attending this program. So you do not have to pay for anything in this program which is offered by ISRO. It's absolutely free of cost. And after completing the program successfully, you can also get a certificate from ISRO. And for that, you should maintain at least 70% attendance in this online course. So this is going to be conducted for 5 days. So you should have at least 70% attendance. Then only you can get your certificate. So this is the first course, Geospatial Modeling for Watershed Management, and it's going to be conducted from August 2nd to August 6th. Let's move to the second one now. So the second course is Geospatial Technology for Hydrological Modelling. This course will be conducted from July 19th to July 30th, 2021. And let's see the curriculum. Here it is. So Geospatial Technology applications for water resources, type of hydrological models, digital elevation model, rainfall runoff modeling, snow glacier melt off runoff modeling, soil erosion and sediment yield modeling, flood peak estimation, river flow modeling, impact climate change. So all these topics will be covered in this course. If you are interested in these topics, do register for it. And one more important thing is all these courses will have only limited number of seats. So do register for this program only if you can attend it, and do not waste any seat because there are only limited number of seats, as I said. And this is also a free program. You do not have to pay for anything. Here it is. There is no course fee. You can just register and attend it and get your certificate. And as I said, you have to maintain 70% attendance in these courses to get your course certificate from ISRO. So this is the second one, Geospatial Technology for Hydrological Modeling. So these two free online courses are offered by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. Let's see how to register for these free courses. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And before we see the registration process, I just want to tell you about Coursera platform, in which you can get courses across different subjects like data science, business, computer science, information technology, language, health. So basically you can learn whatever you want in Coursera. And if you are going to take any course in Coursera, go with their monthly plan, because with that you can learn whatever you want and you can save a lot of money and you can get unlimited certificates. And the best part about Coursera is all the top companies like Google, IBM, and top universities like Stanford University, Duke University will be offering courses in Coursera platform only. So make use of Coursera platform if you want to learn anything, and here's the pricing for you. So if you go for any individual course in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with the monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,315. And with that, you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You will get access to more than 3,000 plus courses. And not only that, you will also get access to the guided project specializations and professional certification programs. And you can earn unlimited certificates, as I said. For example, let's say you complete 100 courses, you can get 100 certificates in that 1 month. There is no restriction to the number of courses or the number of certificates that you can get. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills with the Coursera platform. That is the most important part. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs in Coursera which are industry recognized, because all these programs are offered by top companies like Google, Facebook. So all these programs are well known in the industry. So you will get access to these professional certification programs as well. So if you want to learn anything, go with Coursera platform. I'm sure you will like it, and go for their monthly plan so that you can save a lot of money, you can develop skills, and you can get unlimited certificates. So I hope you'll find this useful, and if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera monthly plan offer. So now let's get back to the registration process for these courses. So the registration process will be same for all the courses that are offered by ISRO, and these courses have only limited number of seats. So I do not want to register for these courses and take a seat of some other person. So what I'll do is I'll show you the registration of course which I did few months back. I'll show you that registration process. Just follow the steps. The steps are going to be same. Just follow that and you can register for these two free courses. That is Geospatial Modeling for Watershed Management and Geospatial Technology for Hydrological Modelling. So this is the course registration page. So here you have to give your name, email ID, and then you have to confirm your email ID, and then you have to set a password for your account, and then you have to retype your password and just enter this captcha given here and click on this register button to create your account in this e-learning website of Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. If you already have account on this website, you can just click on this already registered and just provide your email ID and password and then enter the captcha and click on the login button. So this is the first step. First, let us log into our account and catch up after that. So once you log into your account, you have to select the course here. So the first thing here is select course name. Just click on choose courses here and choose 1-day workshop on lunar remote sensing and its applications. And you have two different modes of registration for this workshop. So one is individual registration and the other one is registration through IIRS Nodal Center. Nothing but your university or college, whichever it is. So you can also register via your IIRS Nodal Center. Just click on this registration through IIRS Nodal Center, and here you have to select your institute or university name. So most of the institutes in India will be listed here. So you can just type in your college name or university name here and just select it. Or else if you don't see your institute listed here, you can also do individual registration. So click on individual registration, but you will not be eligible for the online examination, but still you will be eligible for the course participation certificate based on the attendance during the course. So you can do any one mode of registration that is applicable for you. So just select the course name and choose the mode of registration, and then choose your basic qualification. It might be the graduation, just select it, and then you have to answer this question here: how this course contents will be useful for your professional career. So just type your answer here and then click on this next button, and then you'll be moving on to the third step where you have to give your personal details like your name, father name, gender, your mobile number, and then you have to select your country and you have to provide your zip code and date of birth, nationality, city, everything. So just give all your personal details here and then click on the save and continue button, and then you have to provide your educational details here. So you have to select your highest qualification and your major subjects, and then you have to type in your board, institution or university name, and then you have to choose your year of passing and then click on this save and continue button, and then you have to give your professional details. So you have to answer this question whether you are a student, working professional or self-employed, and then you have to upload your photo and identification proof, and then you have to upload your identification proof document, and then you have to give your Aadhaar number and just click on the save and continue button. And then finally in the preview section you will see all the details that you have filled in. So just check whether you have given all the details properly and click on this apply button, and then you will see a pop-up like this. Are you sure you won't be able to revert this? So just click on OK here. So that's it. Now we have successfully registered for this workshop, and once you complete this registration process you will see this congratulations page, and you will get this unique registration number, and you will also get a mail like this from IIRS Distance Learning. So in this mail you will also get this registration number again, and your registration will have to be approved by the course director or coordinator of the nodal center selected by you. So once it is approved, you should receive a confirmation email with the course guidelines. So once your place is confirmed and it is approved by the course director, you will get all the details regarding the course in another mail from IIRS. So this is how you need to register for these free courses offered by ISRO. So I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.